If you run an embroidery or monogram business, I can bet that one of the challenges you're having is getting embroidery designs, especially for native designs and Agbada designs. And that is why I've created a website where you can get your embroidery designs and monogram designs. Let's get straight into it. So the website is theembroiderycloud.com, or I just go over to your browser and type theembroiderycloud.com, theembroiderycloud.com. I'm going to leave the link in the description. That is it. This is the website. Then you come over to where it says shops. You click on shops. So this is where you have all the designs where you can purchase at a very affordable prices. We have designs as little as 2,000 naira, even 1,500 naira. So these are all the designs we have on the website, and every day we upload new designs on the website. So let's say you want to search for Agbada design. Instead of just looking randomly for the Agbada design, you can just come over here and come over to where it says Agbada. We have an Agbada category here. You just come over here, click on this Agbada, right? Then click on the filter to filter all the Agbada designs we have on the website. You can see it here. These are different Agbada designs we have. We still have more designs that we are uploading every day. We upload new designs every day. And let's say you want dashiki designs, you come over here and click on dashiki, then you click on it. So it's going to display the dashiki designs we have on the website. Let's say you want to search for Kaftan flap and pocket. You're going to come down, scroll down, just scroll down and search for Kaftan flap and pocket. You're going to click on it, then you click on filter. Then it's going to display all the Kaftan flap and pocket designs we have on the website. I'm going to go to the next page. I'm going to click on number 2 to go to the next page. Right, we have different designs here. This is going to make your work very easy. Whenever clients send designs to you, you can just come over here and then search for the design you want to do. Just purchase it and download it and start running it on your machine immediately. Or if you are someone that chooses your designs for customer, you can just come over to this website and save different images and send to your customers to choose from. This way you already have designs that you can always run. It's not that you'll be looking for design that you want to be running every now and then. It makes your work very easy. Let me go to the next page. We have several designs here, Kaftan flap and pocket, different designs. We have them here. Let me go to another category. Let me go to the female Kaftan embroidery. Click on the filter option. So it's going to display the female Kaftan embroideries we have there. Let me go back to the shop and let me try to buy a design, and let's see how. So let's say I want to buy this Agbada design now. I'm just going to come over here. I'm going to click on it. Then I'm going to come down and it says add to cart. I'm going to come down and click on add to cart. If you need any information about the Agbada, these are all the information about the Agbada, and there are also different related products under here. You can choose the design you want and then click on this and then add to cart. Right, if you want more designs, so it's going to display on your cart here. Let's say you want to shop for multiple designs, just go back to your shop and then search for different designs that you want. Let's say you want this design, you can click on add to cart. It has been added to your cart. You can see it here. The cart is now 2. Let's say you want this design, you can click on here. Let's say you want this also, you can click on here. And then if you want to check out, you can just come here over here and click on your cart, click on checkout. Then it's gonna come over to the checkout page, right? Then you're gonna enter your email address. Then you're gonna come over here, enter your name, your last name. Let me come over here, address. Let's just say, let me just enter Ikeja, short address. City, Lagos. Then state, I can choose Lagos also. Just choose your state. Then I'm going to click on here. Then you choose your payment option. You can choose direct bank transfer. You cannot choose on debit card option, but it is important that you choose this card option. If you choose this card option, it's still going to display a bank transfer option for you. That way you are able to get your design immediately, just immediately as you're making your payment. I'm going to show you now. Then I'm going to click on place order. Let me enter the phone number. Then I'm going to click on place order. Then it's going to take me to the payment page. Now this is the payment page. You can see that you can choose to do transfer. You can choose to use your USSD code. You can choose to use any other payment option. You can choose to use your OPay to pay. You can just click on authenticate to authenticate your OPay. But in this video, I'm going to choose the transfer option. I'm just going to click on transfer. I'm going to click on transfer. Then I'm going to transfer to this account. The account will generate an instant account for you to transfer your money. So I'm going to do that now, just so you can see how easy it is to make payment on this website. Let me just quickly go to my app and pay for this right now. So I'm doing the transfer for my bank app now. So I'm just going to enter the account number. Then I'm going to select the bank, which is Paystack Titan. Right. Then I'm going to transfer the exact amount you have. You can see pay 8,500 naira. So I'm going to transfer the exact amount. Then I'm going to pay the money. So it has confirmed. You can see that it automatically confirmed that my payment has been received. I'm going to show the receipt on my phone now. So if you can see this is the payment receipt on my phone. You can see it from my camera. This is the payment receipt on my phone. Then you can see we have the designs here. You can see that you have the designs here. You can see all the designs that I actually paid it for. You can see that. So if you want to download, just click on here to download your design. You can see it's downloading. You can see, let me click on this also to download. Let me click on this also to download. You can see that has been downloaded. You can see the design. Also, you receive an email in your email account for the download link. Let me go over to my email. You can see there's an email. There's an instant email that came in. I'm going to open this email now. You can see this is an email with download link. You can see that. So apart from the fact that after paying for the designs, you get a page where you can download your designs from. You also have an email set to your Gmail account or any email you use on the website. You also get an email. You can now go to your download folder to access your designs, the designs you purchase. Let me go to my downloads folder. I'm going to come over here, come over to downloads. So these are the designs that I purchased. They are actually in a zip folder. So I'll just go over to unzip this folder now. I'm going to right click, then I'm going to do extract files, then OK. Right, you can see this is the folder. This is zip folder, and this is the one I just extracted. I'm going to open it. You can see these are the designs there. You can see these are the design formats here. So that's basically how to purchase or shop for your embroidery designs on the Embroidery Cloud website. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.